Starting your garden can be so much fun. Whether you have a large space or a small space, you can start gardening in containers. And that's what we're going to do today. Whether you have small cups, buckets, whatever you have, make it work. What you want to do first is put some drainage holes at the bottom. And all you do is just take a container, fold it over. If you have a drill, start drilling. And once you put your drainage holes in, you just want to fill your container with soil. It's easy, you guys. You don't have to spend a lot of money to fill your container. What I do is I take my yardsticks, I put them right in the bucket. If you have leftover soil bags, put them down in there. Fill it up with other things and put your soil on top of it. A lot of your plants don't require a lot of soil, such as your lettuces, your radishes, things like that. But things like potatoes and eggplants, you want to make sure you fill your bucket up all the way with soil. We're going to use some basic gardening soil or compost, whatever you have, make it work. And then what you want to get is some peat moss. Mix it all together. I like to get my hands in the dirt. A lot of people like to use gloves. I don't. And some perlite. This will give your soil some aeration, which means some drainage and some breathing room, okay? Just put a little bit in there, just like that. Looks like the soil from the store, right? But you're making it on your own. And just mix it all together, just like that. Take this, pour it right in there like that, just like that, okay? And what you want to do is smooth it around. You want to press it, not pack it. And you're ready to plant your tomato. So what I'm going to do is just take my fingers, make a small hole, just like that, you guys. And this is a cherry tomato plant that we started in a simple cup. We're going to pour it out, and we're just going to put it right in the middle of our container. And there you have it. Once you plant this in the ground like that, give it a pressing, not a mashing. Don't forget to label. This tomato plant will give you a lot of fruit for your family and friends. It's a small space. It's a container. You can do it. Live, love, laugh. Grow stuff and eat it. Okay?